Hello everyone, I am Alex. Welcome back to Mr. Sir Learning. Today we are going to improve our English while discovering the inspiring life of Swami Vivekananda. This is not just the story of a monk, it is the story of a young man who changed the way the world looked at India. So let's begin. Imagine this. The year is 1893. A huge hall in Chicago is filled with people from different countries. One by one, famous speakers come to the stage. Then, a young Indian monk wearing a saffron robe quietly walks toward the podium. For a few seconds, there is complete silence. He looks at the audience and says, "Sisters and brothers of America." Within moments, thousands of people stand up and applaud him. That single speech made history, but the journey to this moment was not easy. Long before the world knew him as Swami Vivekananda, he was simply a young boy named Narendranath Datta. He was born on the 12th of January 1863 in Calcutta, now known as Kolkata. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was a lawyer, and his mother, Bhuvaneshwari Devi, was deeply religious. From childhood, Narendra was different. He loved asking questions. He wanted to understand everything. He enjoyed reading books, practicing music, exercising, and learning new ideas. But one question stayed in his mind all the time. What is the truth? As he grew older, that question became even stronger. Narendra studied at Metropolitan Institution, Presidency College, and later at Scottish Church College. He was an intelligent student. He loved philosophy, history, literature, and science. But books alone couldn't answer all his questions. Then life suddenly changed. In 1884, his father passed away. His family faced serious financial problems. There were days when life became very difficult. Even during those hard times, Narendra never gave up searching for the truth. Around this time, he met Sri Ramakrishna. During their first meetings, Narendra asked a question that surprised many people. "Have you seen God?" Ramakrishna answered without hesitation, "Yes, I have." That simple answer changed Narendra's life forever. He became Ramakrishna's disciple. After his teacher passed away, Narendra became a monk. The world would soon know him by a new name, Swami Vivekananda. Instead of staying in one place, he traveled across India. He met rich people, he met poor people. He saw villages, cities, temples, and ordinary families. During these journeys, he realized something important. India needed education. India needed confidence. And above all, people needed hope. Then came the biggest turning point in 1893. Swami Vivekananda traveled to the United States to attend the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago. No one expected that young monk to become the most memorable speaker of the event, but his powerful words about peace, respect, and unity touched millions of hearts. From that day, people around the world began to know India in a new way. His speeches introduced many Western audiences to Vedanta and yoga. After returning to India, he wanted his ideas to become action. So in 1897, he founded the Ramakrishna Mission. Its purpose was simple but powerful. Serve people, educate people, help people during difficult times. Even today, the organization continues this work in many countries. Although he became famous around the world, Swami Vivekananda never lived a luxurious life. He believed in simple living, regular meditation, physical fitness, reading, discipline, and most importantly, believing in yourself. Here are some interesting facts. His birthday, January 12th, is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. He was one of the first Indian spiritual leaders to gain worldwide recognition even after more than 100 years. His books and speeches continue to inspire students and young people across the world. Now let's learn 5 easy English words from today's story. Curious, it means wanting to learn something. Example, Narendra was curious about life. Courage, it means the strength to face fear. Example, he spoke with courage. Discipline, it means following good habits every day. Example, discipline helped him succeed. Service, it means helping other people. Example, he believed in the service of humanity. Inspire, it means to encourage others. Example, his life inspires millions of people. Before we finish, let's remember one important lesson. Success is not only about money or fame. Real success comes from knowledge, kindness, discipline, and helping others. Swami Vivekananda once said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Even today, these words continue to inspire millions. Thank you for learning English with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments whose inspiring story you would like to learn next. This is Alex from Mr. Sir Learning. See you in the next video.